Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to open an up bank account? Australia's free digital bank. Here's exactly how to sign up from scratch in under 5 minutes. First, go ahead and download the Up app from App Store and search for Up, Simplify Money and tap Get. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Get Started. Enter your email address or your phone number and then create a passphrase. This is a UP's version of password and it's typically a memorable phrase or a string of words rather than a short password. Choose something you'll remember but that others can't guess. Tap continue, then UP will ask for your full legal name, date of birth and residential address. After that, you'll verify your mobile number with a code sent by SMS. UP will then ask you to verify your identity with a government issued ID. You need your Australian driver's license, Medicare card, or passport. This is a regulatory requirement for opening any Australian bank account. Once verified, your Up sending account is created immediately. You'll receive your physical Up card in the mail within 5 to 10 minutes of business days. But you can add Up to Apple Pay instantly and start transacting right away. So all you gotta do is download Up, enter your details and create a passphrase, verify your ID and your account is open. Add to Apple Pay while you wait for your card and that's it. Subscribe for more Up Back guides.